In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in HubSpot. We'll keep this simple and practical. Start by opening HubSpot and looking at the left pane. Click on Marketing, then select Campaigns. This is your central hub for organizing the assets and activities that roll up into a single marketing push, like a product launch or seasonal promotion. Next, click Start a Campaign. Here, HubSpot gives you two options: start from scratch or start from a template. If you're newer to campaigns or want a quicker setup, I recommend starting from a template. Templates provide a helpful structure so you don't miss the essentials. You'll see a collection of templates built by HubSpot. Take a moment to browse and choose one that matches your goal. You can click Preview to see how it's laid out and what it includes. If it looks like a good fit, click Use Template. This saves time and gives you a solid starting point. After selecting Use Template, you'll be prompted to enter your campaign details. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it at a glance. Pick a color to help visually distinguish it in your dashboards. Set the owner to the person responsible for the campaign's progress and reporting. Then, choose the start and end dates. These dates are important for tracking performance within a defined window, so align them with your launch plan. If your campaign is already underway, set the start date accordingly so your reporting is accurate. You can adjust details later if needed. Once those basics are in place, you'll be taken to the campaign editor. This is where you organize the work. You can add assets like marketing emails, workflows, and ad campaigns that support this initiative. Think of it as a container. Attach the emails you plan to send, connect any automated workflows that nurture leads, and link advertising efforts that drive traffic. Keeping these pieces grouped under the same campaign makes reporting cleaner and helps you see what's contributing to your results. As you make changes, remember to save. Click Save to lock in your updates. Saving as you go protects your setup and ensures your team sees the latest version. And that's it. You've created a campaign in HubSpot, chosen a template for structure, entered the key details, and organized the essential assets in one place. With this foundation, you're ready to execute confidently and measure your impact from start to finish.